Maya-maya pa, si Sofia nilapitan si Joaquin.
After you guys apologized kasi to each other. Siyempre, na-overhear namin na you were like telling Eve what happened. Siyempre, I get na she feels like it was insincere. Because if you really feel sorry, parang you wouldn't have to ask parang for validation from others.
I'm not asking for...
Well, syempre like, hindi
He
na,
asked me for what
yun
happened.
nga, but syempre hindi natin controlled if ganun yung na-feel niya.
She took the situation the wrong way. She had the wrong assumption.
Yeah.
Pagkakakilala ko po kay Joaquin, kuya, sobrang marespeto po siya na tao, kuya. And naalala ko po nung nagkaroon po kami ng segment with Ate Shuvi, kuya. Bakit ba? Lahat po kami, kuya, pumapalakpak every time po sasagot siya, kuya. Kasi iba po talaga yung respect niya, kuya. Lalo na po sa girls,
I
kuya.
think it will help kung
Kasi at that time,
later on, kapag mas
only
kalmado
legendary
na kayo,
line.
mapag-usapan niyo.
Matapos makausap si Sofia, si Joaquin minabuting kausapin si Ashley.
About?
Because Sophia told me you're telling people that I'm just...
I'm not telling people like
It was just me and Tala.
yeah, because I thought when you apologize, you talk to other people about what happened, parents. So I was like, what?
Yeah, because he asked about what happened.
Yeah.
And
And now I get
that's
it
fair.
now. Yeah.
So do you think I'm insincere because of that?
No, not anymore because I knew na hindi naman pala ganun yung nangyari.
So you don't think I'm insincere?
Yeah.
Thank you. Just wanted to make things clear. You good?
Yeah, bro.
You good?
Yeah, man.
We're good. We're good.
We're good.
Ilang sandali pa, ang girls pinag-usapan ng paglapit ni Joaquin kay Ashley.
Oh my. The way he approaches.
Yun.
Yeah. Could have had a better approach.
Ito, he can correct you every day. Pero, depende lang kasi talaga yun sa approach. If maayos na
Approach, yeah.
Parang hanggat hindi niya naririnig yung gusto niyang sagot, hindi kanya titigilan.
if the air doesn't improve, I'm seriously gonna go. Hindi ako pwede sa ganitong lugar kasi like, na ano.
Legit ba? It's okay, soft.
So like,
I feel like I should talk to him. Eh, wala. I mean, wala eh.
why does she need to talk to him?
Kasi ako yung closest sa kanya at ibang, like, feeling ko mas maintindihan niya yun if galing
But
sa
that didn't work. You talked to him. You told him
Yeah,
that
but
you were...
only about what happened tonight.
What makes you think that if you talk to him, he'd learn his lesson? You already told him everything that happened, but still he kept on pushing that it was my fault, diba? What do you think will happen to Ashley? Do you think that he'd...
Feeling ko mas lalo niya.
Mas lalo niyang ididiin na parang...
If I didn't do that, there would be a...
Diba?
Honestly po, ang laki pong epekto nito sa akin. Kasi sobrang close ko po, kuya, kay Joaquin. So, yung mga housemates sa akin po, kuya, nagkukwento. Sa posisyon ko po, kuya, medyo mahirap po talaga. Hindi ko din po alam, kuya, kung honestly, kung saan po lulugar.